How to change Facebook page name. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change Facebook page name. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you will need to head over to your Facebook. After you're on your Facebook, head over to your page. Now if you do not know how you can do that, if you're on your personal account, head over to the bottom right corner where it says menu. After you're on the menu option, you can tap on this drop down button where you will be able to see all of your pages. Now tap on the page which you want to change the name of. After you tap on it, you will be on your page. Now head over to the menu section on the bottom right corner and then scroll down till you find settings and privacy. Tap on it and then head over to settings. After you head over to your settings, you should see a lot of different options. Simply head over to audience and visibility section where you'll find page setup. Tap on page setup and right there you should find the name option. Tap on name and after you tap on name you should be able to change the name. Now before you change the name you should know that you cannot change it again for the next 60 days. So make sure that you change it to whatever you want and make sure that you've typed it in correctly. Tap on done and then tap on review change. After you do that, tap on for submit for approval, and after that, after it gets approved, which can take up to 3 days, your new page name will come up. And that is how you change page name on Facebook. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.